Every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm gonna try a recipe which I have a feeling will help me fix a big problem in my life. And that is not ever trying a quesadilla before. And I feel like I'm starting with the best one, Laura's Italian quesadillas. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying quesadillas for the very first time in my life, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 2 large tortillas, 150 grams of mozzarella, shredded, 50 grams of thinly sliced prosciutto, 30 grams of pesto, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil divided into 1 and 1 teaspoon. A large non-stick skillet here, which I'm gonna preheat together with the olive oil over medium heat. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna move here and spread half of the basil on top of the first tortilla. Okay, and now the prepared tortilla will go into the pan. I'm gonna take half of the mozzarella, because I have 2 tortillas, I'm dividing everything in half. I'm gonna sprinkle all over, then take half of the prosciutto and lay on top as well, but only on half of it. And then I'm gonna let it cook until the cheese starts melting. My mozzarella clearly started melting, so that's the time to fold it over. I'm gonna just fold it over like so, and then let it cook for 1 more minute on one side and then another minute on the other side. And while that's happening, I'm gonna actually spread the rest of the pesto on the next tortilla. Okay, now removing this, adding the remainder of the olive oil, that is 1 more teaspoon, and just repeat the exact same thing 1 more time. Believe it or not, it's still warm. Oh my god. Ooh, look at it dripping. I really thought that they will be kind of cold or at least just like a little bit warm. By the end I can try them, but no, this is the first piece dripping away and it's still hot, I feel like. Oh my god, it's hot. Ooh, the taste. But the most surprising thing is that it's still hot for me. Oh my god. Maybe I should keep it. Oh, I love prosciutto. I love pesto. I love melted cheese. Apparently I love tortillas. This kind of reminds me of Turkish dish called gözleme. I always considered them sort of like pancakes, but they're more often savory than sweet, but there's sort of something like this, like a huge... Someone searching for something as well. There's sort of like a big pancake-like thing with the stuffing inside. The batter is not pancake. It's actually something similar to this. Oh my god, have I eaten gözleme? Wait, I meant quesadilla in the name of another dish. Oh my gosh, this is so tasty. If you like Italian-like foods, then you're gonna love it. I don't know how to not eat it messy. I have a feeling there's no way to do that. How I love prosciutto. This is so good. At first, I have to be honest, I thought that the combination of pesto and prosciutto was a bit interesting, but It's so good. Okay, before I finish the whole thing, wait 1 sec to really clean my hands. It was so tasty, and it will be so tasty. I won't keep you long. I just want you to see the end result one more time. It's glorious. It looks quite oily actually. I feel like I could use even less than 1 teaspoon of olive oil while cooking, just because pesto, you know, is based on olive oil as well. So there's lots of oil happening, but is it good? So here's how Laura's quesadillas look like. There you can find the link to her video and check her out making these. I feel like even for the first time it was really easy, and I got the exact same looking thing. Just because I feel like I had more oil, it's more uniformly, you know, golden brown, but other than that, the same thing. I always love when that happens. If you want the written recipe for this, check the description box down below. You will find it in both American and the metric systems, because I am converting, while I'm trying every single new recipe, I am converting it to a metric system because I'm using one and I want to try the recipe. And that's it. I really want to go and eat while they're still warm, which is still the most incredible thing about this recipe for me. I thought they will really cool down so quickly. Anyways, I really hope that this was fun and helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye!